I'm Engineer Nnachebem Department of Electronic Engineering. I'm teaching the students, guiding them in experiments on applied electronics, and we are working on a TPS, analog electronic trainer, with an oscilloscope. So, which when you feed in some signals and connection, you get some shapes of feedbacks, shapes you want. Okay, there's square wave, and sometimes you can get triangular wave and some other waves formed. So by adjusting them, you can see the waveforms which we got from the trainer, the connection. So we have some other experiments we're going to do, which can give us some other waveforms and all that. So just an idea of, and the idea is just for you to understand how to use the TPS, which we're using TPS 331. There's so many other TPS, there's analog, there's digital, and other ones. So when you connect them, these are the banana wires. So you connect them, these are the amplifiers in the circuits. So which with the capacitors and other components, it gives you exactly what you want through the circuit diagram you're using and the expected results. Then you get the period, get the frequency, and some other things you need to do.